In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Outlook emails to new computer. We'll start on your old PC by exporting your data from Outlook Classic. A PST file, short for Personal Storage Table, is a single file that contains your emails, contacts, calendar, and other mailbox items, making it the easiest way to move everything at once. Open Outlook Classic, go to File, choose Open Export, then Import Export. In the wizard, pick Export to a file, select Outlook Data File.pst, and continue. Choose the top of your mailbox so everything is included, check Include subfolders to bring mail, contacts, and calendar, and click Next. Pick an easy save location, such as Documents or the desktop, then Finish. Jot down the exact file path so you can find it later. If your mailbox is large, let Outlook run until the export completes. You can keep working while it processes. Next, transfer the PST file to your new computer. Copy it to a USB drive, external disk, or secure cloud folder, then place it on the new PC in a spot that's easy to browse to. Close Outlook before copying to avoid file in use errors. If you already work from a standalone PST, you can copy that file directly without exporting. It's smart to keep a second copy of the PST as a temporary backup until you confirm everything imported. On the new PC, install and open Outlook and set up your email account first so Outlook knows where to place the data. When it's ready, go to File, choose Open Export, and click Import Export. Select Import from another program or file, pick Outlook Data File.pst, and browse to the PST you move. Choose Do Not Import Duplicates to keep things tidy. Select the top mailbox level, make sure Include subfolders is checked, and start the import. Importing into the existing folders will merge your old content with what's already there. Large files can take a few minutes, that's normal. When the import finishes, restart Outlook to refresh everything, then confirm your data is in place. Check Inbox and Sent items, open Contacts and Calendar, and expand any subfolders to make sure they came across. Try a quick search so indexing can begin. Results improve after Outlook has a little time to process the new data. If something's missing, repeat the import and ensure you selected the top mailbox with subfolders. That's the whole process. Export to a PST on the old computer, move the file, and import it on the new one. Thanks for watching.